A very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Children, in the last class, I told you about WordPad, and I also told you about different parts of the WordPad screen, how we add text, how we delete text, how we type text in WordPad. In today's class, I am going to tell you how we select text, how we change the color of the text, how we change the text size, and how we save the documents in WordPad. So before starting today's class, let us quick revise of the last chapter. So first of all, how we open WordPad. To open WordPad, in the last class I told you about click on search box button. This is a search box. Click on this search box and type WordPad, WORDPAD pad, WordPad. After that, click on WordPad option. You can see in the list WordPad option is up here. Click on this WordPad option. This is a WordPad screen. This screen is known as this part is known as quick access toolbar. This area is known as ribbon, and this is a work area. To type the text in WordPad, simply click on the work area, then type from the keyboard. Right? When the first slide is completed, then cursor will automatically move to the next line. Right? When your first slide is completed, then cursor will automatically move to the next line. And if you want to insert a new paragraph, you want to move to the next paragraph, then press enter button from the keyboard. Now, how we add text? To add text, simply click on the area where you want to insert text and type from the keyboard. How we delete text? To delete text, we use two buttons, backspace key and delete key. If we want to erase text left hand side of the cursor, then we use backspace key like this. And if we want to erase text right side of the cursor, then we use delete key like this. Now open page number 54. Selecting text. In order to change the background color of the text or change its size, you first need to select it. Let us learn how to do it. Means, if you want to change the text color, if you want to change the text size and text style, so the first step is you should select the text. Right? You should select the text. If you want to change the text color, size, style, whatever you want to change in text, the first step is you should select the text. Understood? आप टेक्स्ट में कुछ भी चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उस टेक्स्ट को सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो हाउ वी सेलेक्ट टेक्स्ट? The step is given on page number 54. The first step is place the cursor before the text you wish to select. First of all, place your cursor before the text you want to select like this. After that, keeping the left mouse button press, drag the mouse over the text. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag your mouse over the text. And third step is release the mouse button, the selected text gets highlighted. Then release the mouse button, your text will be selected. I repeat once again. To select text, the first step is click before the text you want to select. Then press left mouse button and hold it. After that, drag the mouse over the text like this. Right mouse button, click left mouse button and hold it and drag it over the text. And after selecting, release the mouse button. Then your text will be selected. Understood? I repeat once again. Watch it carefully. To select text, the first step is place the cursor before the text you want to select. पहला स्टेप क्या होगा? आप अपने कर्सर को उस टेक्स्ट के पहले क्लिक करेंगे, जस्ट बिफोर द टेक्स्ट जिसको कि आपको सेलेक्ट करना है. देन प्रेस द लेफ्ट माउस बटन एंड होल्ड इट. आप माउस के लेफ्ट बटन को प्रेस करेंगे और उसको होल्ड करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट ड्रैग ओवर द माउस. आप टेक्स्ट के ऊपर उसको ड्रैग करेंगे और आफ्टर इन लास्ट you can release the mouse button. Your text will be selected. Now changing the text color. You can make your document look more attractive by changing the color of the text. How we change the color of the text? The first step is select the text. The first step is select the text. How we select the text? Place the cursor before the text. Click left mouse button and hold it. Then drag over the text and release the mouse button. First step is completed. Text is selected. After that, on the home tab, click on the down arrow next to the text color button in the font group. This is a click on home tab. This is a font group. In the font group, click on the arrow next to the font color option, text color option. Click on this option and choose the color. Select the text, click on home tab. Then in the font group, click on the arrow next to the text color option. You can see text will be converted into red color. I repeat once again. To change the text color, the first step is select the text. How we select the text? Place the cursor before the text. Click left mouse button and hold it and drag the mouse over the text. Then click on home tab. In the font group, click on the arrow next present on the text color option. This is the text color option. You click on this arrow. After that, choose your color and click outside the text. Right? Now, open page number 56. Changing text size. How we change the text size? You can change the size of the text in your document to make it look different from the rest of the text. You can change the text size. How we change the text size? The first step is select that text. So how we select the text? Place the cursor before the text. Then keeping the left mouse button still and right mouse over the text. Select the text. Now click on home tab. In the font group, click on the following buttons in the font group. This is a click on the grow font and this is a shrink font. If you want to increase size, then you can click on grow font. Select the text, click on home tab, then click on grow font option if you want to increase the size. And if you want to decrease the size, select the text, click on home tab, click on font in the font group, click on shrink font option. Right? I repeat once again. To change the text size, select the text, click on home tab, then click on grow font if you want to increase the size, and you can also increase or decrease font size by this option. Click on the text, select on the text, click on font tab. In the font group, click on the arrow and choose the size. Select the text, click on home tab, click on the font size arrow, then select the size. Right. So in this way we can change the text size. Now, saving the documents. How we save the documents? You can save the text you have typed in WordPad so that you can use it in the future. Why we save the document? We save the document for future use in the in the future. We save the document for further use in the future, right? How we save the document? The step is click on the save button on the quick access toolbar. This is a quick access toolbar. Click on this. This is a save button. Click on save button. Save as dialog box will be open. Type a name for the document. In this text, type the name of the documents. Type your name of your files. Class 1, 2, and click on the save button. Right? Understood how we save the document? Click on save button on the quick access toolbar. After that, type your name and click on save button. Now I'm going to close this option, and after that, in how we open the WordPad documents. First of all, select click on search box, type WordPad, then click on file menu and click on select a file. Now enter hello, how are you. Now to save this thing, then you can simply click on this button. No need to type name again and again. At the first time, when you save the file first time, then you need to read name of the file, and after that you can simply click on the save button on the quick access toolbar, or you can press Ctrl S button from the keyboard. Ctrl S. Right? I hope you understand. So this is enough for today's class, and in this way we have completed the this chapter. In the next class we will start copy work.